Shovelheadffej here, and today I'm not in the shovelhead shed. Today actually I am in Myakka State Park, beautiful park. One of the things during bike week, I never go down on the first week. I used to when I was young, but I kind of found that second week is usually better. Everybody's, all their piss and vinegar's pissed out. They're basically all hung over. Most of them are too pooped to party and all the other stuff, and it just, for me, it's a more relaxing time for the second week. So usually as everybody's heading north, I head south. And so I took a trip out, like I said, to Myakka State Park. It's a beautiful park. It's one of the most visited parks in the state of Florida. If you want to see old Florida the way that old Florida was, this park is the place. It's actually a beautiful place. I like to come out here. I come out here a lot. Great fishing. This is the Florida that I remember as a child, with the palmettos, you know, just the quiet country scenery. All these buildings back here, these were made out of sable palm trees. And back in the 30s, I think it was, what is it, the CCC or whatever, one of the presidents putting people to work. Yes, right here. Built by the men of the civilian. There you go. And yeah, in the 30s. And actually you can rent. They have some of these cabins. If I get time, I'll show you some of the cabins. They actually do have some really cool cabins. Man, it was a cold ride this morning, that's for sure. Cold for me, cold for Florida, but it was definitely cold. But anyway, I'm gonna spend the day down here, and I'm going to film some of the stuff. And if I was really cool, you'd be able, I would do the little Google Earth map and show you where it's at. But by the time I could figure that out and put it on there, you know what, really, you yourself can just Google it. Myakka State Park. It's Myakka State Park. It's right out of Sarasota, not too far out of Sarasota. It's about a 45-minute hour drive for me, ride, which is a beautiful thing, man. Coming across in Florida, the one thing about Florida during the springtime is the smell is absolutely amazing. I don't know about the city smell, but I'm talking about in the country. You can smell the orange blossoms, you can smell the oaks, you can smell the palmettos, and everything in this state is basically starting to bloom. And I mean, it's like you're driving through an orange blossom perfume factory. You come across the prairie, what they actually call a prairie. It's a prairie that I have to come across, and man, it is just I mean, so all I can do is just smell just smell all the orange blossom in the air right now. So anyway, if you haven't ever made it to Florida, you got to come to Florida. Come during the springtime, and stay out of Disney World, places like that. There's some beautiful places in Florida. And there's some beautiful oak trees. Today I'm riding my 2019 Ultra Limited. I was going to bring the three-wheeler today, but because I could carry more equipment, but I kind of got this thing loaded down with camera equipment and stuff like that, and so I decided to ride this today. My old girl, she's dependable. She should be. She's a 2019. I said, it's Myakka State Park. If you get a chance to come down here, come down here. If you're ever in Florida, I mean, this is the Florida that I know. This is the Florida that I'm used to, with the sable palms and the cabbage palms, the palmettos, the alligators, all the birds, all the animals. Come check it out if you ever get a chance. It's beautiful out here. And it beats Daytona right now, I can tell you that much. And yeah, my camera's crooked, but that's me. Alright. Like, share, and subscribe. It's been a while since I've asked you guys to do that. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll get some more B-roll and I'm done. Alright, peace. See ya.